After spending all of yesterday's afternoon and early morning today exploring Vinh City, as you can see in the previous video, I left Vinh City and kept heading south. So I gotta buy meat for breakfast. I left Vinh, and well, it's actually quite a nice city, but you can't really get to know a city in a few hours if you want to know a city. I mean, I've been living in Hanoi for 5 years and I still don't know everything. And Vinh, although much smaller, still needs time to get to know it better. Seems like a really nice city, quiet, and definitely worth a visit again. Well, I don't know actually. Anyways, I'm heading into these mountains. They're covered with clouds. Let's hope the weather gets better, although no hopes for that. It's supposed to get worse actually. Anyway, there's supposed to be a waterfall inside. So I'll go and see if I can take a look. Tôi đi từ đó cho thấp. Và bao nhiêu mét đó?
Xuống đây đi vòng theo tiến theo cái cục lũ này.
Đi
lên đó có một cái lạch nước. Theo lạch nước là cứ đi thẳng.
Và bao nhiêu mét?
Khoảng tầm rơi khoảng tầm 500 mét.
500?
500 mét.
Ok, không sao. Cảm ơn. Okay. So I guess this is the way to the waterfall. It said 500 meters. I'm not even sure I'm on the right path. Can hear the waterfall, but maybe. Seems like I'm getting closer. Got out here, probably away from the path. Well, that's not the waterfall. I guess it's not the waterfall. I guess I have to continue up there. If this is the waterfall, probably not, but maybe I just lift the drone up and see what's up there. I don't know. Who knows where the path is? The drone definitely shows there is a path, but, well, there is a waterfall, but how do I get up there? Good question. I'm not even sure I'm on the right way. Maybe here. Ah, shit. Got stuck. Ah. Look at this. Ah. Yeah, maybe this way. Yeah, I got off the path completely. Yeah. Is it here? Still not here. Oh, maybe it's here, and maybe I'm already above it. That's what it seems like. I think with the drone it was much simpler. Gotta go back. As you can see from where I was, I really didn't have to climb much to get to the waterfall, but instead I missed the path and climbed all the way above the waterfall. Yeah, maybe gotta go back and go down. I'm so sweaty. I haven't been so sweaty since I left Hanoi. Ooh, so hot and so humid, and I think I still have to go down there. Yeah, I can't find it. If I can't find it in the next 5 minutes, I'll just leave. I want to continue on today. Oh. So fucking hot. Well, there's a clear path which I missed, and yeah, I'm too tired now to go back up there. I started going down, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm back. Waterfall didn't work out, so we'll have to do with drone footage, but it was pretty nice. The scenery around here is beautiful, and on to the next stop, which I have no idea where it's gonna be. The next video will show the rest of this day, where I go back to the beaches and explore the beaches south of Vinh before I head to the town Hoi An for the night. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again in the next video.